Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Stripping Architecture, a platform where we attempt to strip architecture in order to see the hidden life practice behind it. We are still in Skopje today and we will start stripping an existing global urban phenomenon. In other words, we will be talking about
wasted spaces.
For the records, the strip architects started like a couple of years ago on a research mission to tackle these wasted spaces issues in Brussels.
Which is very interesting to us.
And apparently it's a global phenomenon.
And we start seeing it more and more in other different cities. So therefore, for wasted spaces, you'll see more and more on our channel, Stripping Architecture. So what are wasted spaces? Simply talking, these are spaces of chunks of mostly public urban areas that due to different vernacular reactions or design interventions happen to be useless, dysfunctional and neglected.
So the ongoing research over the wasted spaces has achieved two categories: micro wasted spaces and macro wasted spaces.
We generally classify micro wasted spaces as small-scale spaces that appeared as process of human-scaled adaptations and layering of micro infrastructures. Here are some examples for micro wasted spaces in the following video.
As you can see, this is a ramp for a bicycle or wheelchair, and there is a space in the corner that it's unapproachable. More space of nothingness.
On the other hand, wasted spaces are wasted spaces that are output of a poor infrastructural design. And here is an example for a macro wasted space.
Spaces appear in different spots of the city, there where one, two or more infrastructures merge. Like for example here, we have a road, a bridge, then we have the columns for the railway station and a pedestrian ramp. The result is a wasted space. Intersection of two roads makes simply a wasted space. For example, here we have entrance to an underground garage and we have a building right next to it.
And all that chunk of space is actually a wasted space.
After seeing these two types of wasted spaces, we also have to mention a third category that appears in between. And that is when micro wasted space appears still as a result of poorly designed infrastructure or architecture, like for example on the following example.
It's an open gap of a hole next to the building. 5 steps going down. Maybe this space has function, it's for feeding the kitties and the local puppies, but we have maybe like 10 meters of hole of a canal engraved into the public space.
So here is what we're trying to say, that public space and space in general is a resource that we have in limited amounts and we should cherish it and we should be very careful when managing it. On this place we can see how wasted spaces are appearing all around our city and we kinda hang them on a balloon and we let them fly away in the sky. But how this way of let them fly away in the sky, like we don't care about the spaces, should be maybe transmitted and transferred into just marking these spaces and make them more visible, like analogically explained here with the red balloons. We, from Stripping Architecture, we would like to make these spaces a bit more visible and to protect the environment from further insensible development.
That's good.
So thank you very much. We hope that you like the sketches again and our critique about it, our specific type of critique. And as you know, follow us on social media at The Strip Architects. The link is somewhere here. Please subscribe and follow us, share the videos, and we love you. See you next time.